Looking to give students a more visual bookstore-style browsing experience? MackinVIA Categories make it easy for students to explore genres and topics they enjoy and discover new content along the way. In Settings Categories, make sure the Categories feature is enabled so it appears in MackinVIA. Then choose the icon style that works best for your students. At this point, you're all set, but you can customize your categories further if you'd like. Select New Icons from the Image Library. Rename categories to better match your audience. And turn individual categories off or on, depending on what you want students to see. If you make any changes, be sure to save. Just a little customization goes a long way in making categories a fun, intuitive way for students to explore your digital collection.